Hello guys, it is Professor Catnip, and today I'm going to be reacting to animal abuse of a cat. I do not know who the heck sent this in to me, but whoever they are, I'm going to hunt you down. You have to make me react to this. Are you kidding? Cat abuse? Watch this stupid video. Thanks a lot!
Not safe for YouTube.
Not safe for you.
Cat lovers, look away now.
What? Oh my gosh! I'm gonna kill this person!
Today seems to show a man
Boiling water on a cat? Are they on drugs?
allegedly shot in
Are they on drugs? Oh my gosh!
in the water for a while inside a kitchen as he torments the feline, whom we're
Are
calling
you kidding me?
Bubbles is outside and is just going about his daily cat business. Meow.
Oh my gosh!
The cops are looking into it, and according to reports, they've tracked
That
down
poor
this
cat!
terrible act.
I'm gonna kill that guy!
Graphic content, we can't show you the entire video here, but it's available on our website via the link in the description.
It's available, the entire video!
The internet here at Telma News, but this
Are you
just
kidding?
takes some
Forget! Whoever sent this in, freaking trying to flip you off, but I can't. Whoever sent that in, I'm flipping you off. I am flipping you off with my freaking 3 fingers. Whoever sent this in, and I mean it, whoever sent this in, what the heck? Now, listen, animal abuse is bad. And if you commit animal abuse, get the heck off my channel. Well, anyway, I love all my other friends, but be quiet, because animal. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.